Hi guys, what are your names?
I'm Gayatri and I'm Mira. So we pledged 120 lakhs, but we are ending up with 120 lakhs.
Our students are always very compassionate, they're sensitive in line with the values of the school. It's great to see that students are getting a better understanding of themselves. And as a parent said, he said, our children are learning to contribute to something beyond themselves. They recognize that they have so much more than others, and therefore they want to do something to contribute towards the community and towards nation building.